Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's up, burritos? Welcome to another countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now, today I'm talking all about Dancehall Life. That is the new reality show that is being produced by Dancehall Records, and it stars PTR. That is the dancehall dancing trio. I call them Jamaican pop-up girls, and that's Pretty, Dancing Rebel, and TC. So it's Pretty Dancing Rebel and TC. I'm here to let them have the show named Dancehall Life, and I have been an avid watcher since the first episode till now. I think right now they are episode 4, and I just want to know from you burritos, am I the only one enjoying the show? I absolutely love local content. If it's local, I am definitely going to show up and pre it. All when me not like it, me just feel like a part of my duty as a Jamaican national is to show up and get a little strength, watch what I can watch, and just get a little 1 and 2 clap and ray. But this particular show, me not fear fake it, me not fear force it. Like, I actually do like it. I've always been looking for content like this from Jamaica. Come watch Wolipa watch Wolipa BET, Wolipa what you call it, The View, all kind of things I watch, and so when I see things like this that reminds me of some of the pop culture type of shows that I watch, I have to acknowledge it and to commend the effort. So I watched the last episode and it was all about Pretty Party. I mean, I tell them I just love the girl. I don't know how I don't know what it takes so long, but these girls are just like walking TV. They are good TV. The fact that each of them are really good friends, but separate and apart, they all have very fun, engaging personalities. May I tell you, all of them could have shell a show by themselves, but combined, oh my gosh, it is just like made for TV. And I love the way how the whole of them just kind of have a certain way when them talk to each other, and it's like this could get a ratchet, sophisticated niceness. Like, it's so blend up, like it have a little ratchet thing to it, like one could get a good girl, get a good girl, and like do them nails, and them go get them like a spa treatment, and them have the big screen TV and them something there, but they might still live in the ghetto, but them good, and them thing turn up on a different little level, because them is basically like a downtown girl living an uptown life. I saw them stay, and I just love that for them. I absolutely the only thing when I wish when I was part of the show, because certain things when I really wish when I help for kind of produce, that's the only thing. But like outside of that, I am liking the direction of where the show seems to be going. And we just want them get into them as actual dancers. I wouldn't mind if them jumping at them personal life a little bit, but so far not so bad at all. Like, we just can't wait for the country free up so we can get to see these 3 girls like out and about outside of that mansion where Joe Bogdanovich put them in, and the mansion look nice and all kind of things. And I don't know how much the budget for this to be, but I hope Joe pay them, because I tell you, as the episode put on, as the episode post, I blink your eye them 2 times about 50,000 views that you see. You literally, by the time you run that bathroom and come back, you see over 50,000 views. I just saw the people them in a demand, and it reached the point now where when I watch the show, and it's like me have to kind of hold back now, because I say, listen, you see, if me watch 3 more episodes, I'm gonna start to walk around and talk like them. I'm gonna eat my feet. I'm not gonna on the road and made that talk. Yeah man, yeah you write the song, yeah, write the song. Take off the something and put write the song. Yeah you more of a big up my friend, because you look good. I saw me gonna start walking around and talk, and this not really good at all, but I saw the girl them talk, and I feel like give it until probably like the end of June. The whole of Jamaica will start talk. So like, me I tell you, like, down to the thugs them in the street, like them be like, write the song, yeah, put on the weed, right there song, yeah, weed in my nostrils, yeah. Oh god, I really hope it is not so, but like, I'm absolutely loving the show so far. Like, I love the episode when they were painting, and just like the dynamics between all 3 of them. I did not know there was some beef between TC and Tananya, because both of them felt like the other one was blocking the other one, and some little feelings that I carry, but it was really over nothing. So I was glad that they were able to squash this out. What else was talking about? Oh, they also talked about bullying and the cyberbullying episode. I like that. I think it was very important, especially because I really feel like these 3 girls, the base for them have is very grassroots, middle class, and even a little bit of uptown. So I really feel like that type of conversation would have been very beneficial to to their community. And I really hope this show just kind of succeeds and just like get bigger and better. I love these girls. My hopes that them just continue for to spread them wings, because one of the things I'm just like, there are so many different avenues and to success. And as it relates to the creating content in Jamaica, I'm very glad that we're at a point where we're able to just like put some respect and put some value on the creatives that exist, because Jamaican are shorter fun, enthusiastic, vibrant people. We are a nation. We produce characters like how we produce gunman. Like we churn them out like every hour upon the hour, like one time Zip FM. Like this is the country that we have. We're not short of personalities, and the content is here is just to get the support of like people who can fund it. So big up Joe Bogdanovich and the entire Down South team. I think Scatter is a part of it, Cecile, and everybody else who is a part of the production, like to really come together and get the capital, link up with the creatives, and to be able to create something for the Jamaican audience like this. And so I have to really commend them again. But like these girls are gold right now. Like anything that they do combined together, it definitely will sell, because each of them have an individual following, and together the impact is just massive. So, and these girls are still pretty young, so imagine in 10 years time what these girls will be able to accomplish. That is Pretty TC and Dancing Rebel. I didn't even know at one point that Dancing Rebel was a cook. Like I never know so she was a chef of the group, but you're able to get some sort of insight into seeing her, and she's very witty. Rebel is extremely witty. She's very quick on her feet. She's very quick on her tongue.
Rebel in dress. Me need to call the police. You want me to give her the number? Woo! 119. Mamuri. Sometimes I want in a dress. Sometimes I want in a top.
You do what you want.
But I want to feel. Come and pay my owner.
Right.
Like if you say something, she has a clap back in like 0.2 seconds. Like I didn't know that she was so quick-witted, and that is just like interesting. And even Pretty confidence. Remember when Pretty did start out, Pretty used to shy and go on nervous, but no, Pretty not afraid of camera. Pretty I got talk, she just go on like a shy, but when fair ready for open, she said the little things and she get the energy. And I don't know if that is coming from the fact that she's doing dancehall now, so she have to work on her self-confidence and them something there.
Because the dolls them, we not unmade what God made. Because the dolly them will come with package. Because the dolly them will come with handbag and food in them box. Where hungry belly dolly a go? Where jungle dolly a go? Them dolly a find in a Fontana pharmacy. At Mars. I want to some dolly will come in a box by themselves, them homeless. I want to some homeless dolly.
But she really is giving you that little good ghetto girl type of realness, and she gives it. TC just move like she quiet like a lamb, but TC should have your heart. Like something about TC just seem like
I just hear say one guest I go come, and I never have a clue say she. So when I see her, I was really surprised because
like a girl the way so she try, and you see her when her mother tell her say don't be like the other girl them. When you reach inside, clean up your room and take up your little book them and go over your timetable. And TC just come like the girl where she really listen to her mother, and she come in and she just sweep up her yard, and then she just do her little timetable and iron her clothes for the next morning, and then she not really try for bother with nobody. But when she grow up, she just knows that at them time she go out and have her little fun. That's what TC seemed to me. So she just like have your heartstring and them look something there. But yeah, I love this show. So I'm actually contemplating at this moment to do weekly reviews of the show, but I'm not so sure. I'd love to hear from you, Berrydos. Want to say, want me to do that review Dancehall live on my YouTube channel? Do you want me to do it? Would you watch? Are you here for it? Like, just let me know, because it for me it's like me can't watch on so into the show right now, and me not try to do something with it. Like me too obsessed right now. Come and see why me supposed to sit down and I wait for the premiere like me have nothing on my yard for do. So let me know, Berrydos, if you want me to do commentary and reviews of Dancehall live. And if you haven't started watching, please to do so. It is on the Kingston, I don't remember what the name of the channel, but just look Dancehall Live PTR on YouTube and you will find it. Okay, so that is it for this countdown quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button, and leave the comment. We're still try to head to 300,000 subscribers, so please to hit the subscribe button. Alright, Berrydos, until the next time when I'll be talking about another topic, ta-ta!